I mean video. Okay, so you're just about to eat a whole big old thing of wasabi sauce. So okay, let's go. That's not it. It's on your hand. You said it was good. Come on, Jessica.
Oh, it's hot. I don't eat it.
No, don't put that in my bag.
I figured you were so excited, Holly. I was talking with Mike, like, let's get this paperwork all done. He said,
You look like a dog, bro. You look like a dog. Jessica. Ruff, ruff. Jessica. Jessica, ruff, ruff. Yo, need more. No, 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 no.
Take it like a man, Jessica.
Get up. Get up. I drag you half the way. Come on.